So in today's video, we will talk about NFTBOX. Okay, so it is in Binance Smart Chain. As you can see here, I found NFTBOX via bscproject.org, and I see that it is a game that I'm pretty much interested in because there's a lot of value that is locked here. There's a lot of addresses and transactions going on this part right here. So I'm also going to make a tutorial for you guys on how you can make money on NFT box, how you can withdraw your NFT box in-game coin, okay? How you can exchange this into something like a BNB or BUSD, and how you can buy some crates. But before, please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here. As you can see here, I'm really close into 10,000 subscribers. So please do support me, and I will just really appreciate it if you're going to subscribe into my channel as well. So let's just get started right here. Okay, so NFT Box. So they've claimed into their Twitter account that they are the first NFT gaming trading and auction platform. So they're the first in the world. And you for the BSC, what you just need to do is just go into this website right here, which I'm going to put in as well into the description box below. And the crates here are pretty much cheap, okay, for you to start, for you to check if this one is pretty much worth it, okay. So um excuse me. So before we start, let's buy first some crates. So how will you buy crates here? So what you just need to do here is just go to the buy box section right here, and then as you can see here, there's more than 80% discount. Okay, what I'm just going to do here is I'm going to buy one crate. So the next thing that I'm just going to do here is just click the buy button. Okay, and of course you will pay some pretty much small gas fee on this one, and then just click the confirm button right here. So you will see it is submitted, waiting for BSC, so they're just confirming it. So it is already here. I've bought one box, okay, and there's one number of box, so I'm just going to open it, which of course needs you to pay another BNB, okay, small amount of BNB, okay. So I'm opening it, okay, and let's see what we actually get. So we get Hyoribo, okay. Let's collect this one, okay. And then let's go into the Onmyoji NFT. So on this Onmyoji NFT, you can see every single NFT that you have. So you can see as well what is the mining power of this one. Um, you can also upgrade this. So for you to upgrade this one, you need to have you need you need to have at least an NB, okay. And if you upgrade this one, you will get a pretty much a better stats, okay. You can get a higher mining power. You can also stake this for mining, okay. So just click the number right here that you want to stake, and then right now you don't need to pay anything, so just confirm that one, okay. Actually going to pay a small amount of BNB, so that pretty much sucks, okay. So it is processing right now. Oh my, why I'm paying a lot of BNB on this part right here? I don't understand. I'm paying a lot of BNBs. So into this part right here, you can see, okay, into the dashboard. This is the farming pool, and this is the bonuses full pool. So this one is already in stake. So for you to see where it is stake, just go to the far. I think it is on the mining pool or farming pool. Okay. Oh, I'm actually trying to find this one. Okay, so where is my on my OG? Okay, it is this one is already in stake, and then Shikadami in okay, Kingdoms NFT Heroes display. I don't really know where the where did my NFT goes, but I assume that it is already in stake. Okay, and that pretty much sucks. So you actually can't see where your item goes. Okay, so um, let's find it. Let's try to find it. Okay, so this is the Kingdoms NFT. So I've bought one on Onmyoji NFT, which has a mining power of around 20 NB. So it is SR. I don't have any idea right now what this SP is, what is SSR means, what is SR means, what's N, what's R. But what I know is I've already staked my I've already staked my NFT. So as you can see here, it is here. Okay, so my staking is being put here. It is here borrow. So you can burn this one. You can also revoke this one. Okay, and as you can see, my balance is already going up. So I just really panic a lot. So you're getting this NB tokens right here, which of course you can exchange this into the swap king. Okay, so this one is also safe. So what you just need to do here is just launch the app. Okay, and then just type in NB. You can actually see it here. Okay, so just put NB, connect your BNB wallet, BSC wallet rather, and then what you just need to do is just have this kind of USDT. So for every one BNB, okay, let's actually wait. Oh my, I think this is pretty much a bug. So for you to one BNB is this is internet is really frustrating nowadays. Okay, so I'm going to connect my wallet again, and then just swap this one. Okay, so for one BNB, for one NB, you can get 0.01 USDT. So I'm not really sure about this part right here because it says I'm having a mining power of 20, which I'm not sure if this one is every day or this one is every hour. So I'm going to assume that this one is per daily basis. Okay, so 20 NB is 0.20 USDT per day. So let's just check it right here. Okay, so if you're getting around 0.20 USDT, okay, every day, and I've paid around $8 for that box. So you can probably get your money just dividing this 8 divided by 0.20 by 8 divided by 20 sorry 0.20. So it will give you roughly 40-day ROI. Okay, 40-day ROI, assuming that the NB price is still the same, and it is pretty much the same. Okay, so I got one here brew, but of course if you have pretty much more budget right here, you can always buy more. Okay, as of now I do have I pretty much lack some uh, BNBs right here, but I'm going to try it again. Okay, so let me just swap some BNB tokens into into my exchange right here. So I'm going to swap. Okay, and we're going to buy one more uh one more NB. Okay, let's try it. So I'm going to swap this one. Maybe let's see what we could actually get. So So I got 1.55 USDT. That's nice. I'll take that. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. So I'm going to swap this one. Okay, just for this video, guys. Okay, I'm going to swap my shit coins so that I we could probably buy one more, and it is not working. So let's retry. Let's try it again. So I'm going to search for Garuda and then uh, do this one. Okay, I'm going to swap my BNB as well. I mean uh, my DeFi pet token as well. So wait for pretty much a few minutes. Oh my god, Pancake Swap is really, I don't know. It's really frustrating. Okay, to see this kind of platform that is not even working properly. So maybe I'm going to buy more. So I'm just going to switch this one into the smart chain. So let's try it again. If it didn't process, then maybe we can try other tokens. So I'm just going to swap this one. Okay, I think the leafage was around 5%. So yeah, I've already done this. 0.0009 0009. Okay, so I'm going to confirm this one. Okay, and then we're going to buy more. Okay, we're not yet done here. Okay, so we're going to buy one more. And I'm not sure if I can buy one. Okay, so let's just buy another one. Okay, so just confirm it. And it will appear here. Okay, so just open the box right here. Which of course you need to pay some few BNBs on this one. Okay, so that's pretty much sucks. But we just really hope we can get pretty much better items. So we got what item is this? Qmei Neko. So I do have 10 mining power. That's pretty much worse than my first box. Okay, my first box was around 20 mining power, and this one is 10 mining power. So of course, for you to sell, you can sell this one on this part right here. You can always sell this one, and you can go back again by just clicking this back button. Okay, so you can stake this one for mine. So just click the stake button, and I don't have any sufficient balance. That's just stupid. That's just stupid. Maybe I'm going to swap more. Okay, let's try to swap more tokens onto this stuff right here. Garuda. Okay, and then BNB. Let's swap BNB. Maybe 20%. Let's just do this 20%. If this one still didn't work, wow, it didn't really work. Oh my, this is really disappointing. I can't even stake the other NFTs. Okay. Oh my, why did I convert every single BNB that I have here? So I think that is it for this one. Okay, so we will explain like the farming pool right here. So uh, you can combine some NFT cards that you have every second into this part right here, which you can also claim some BNB on Onmyoji balance or Kingdom balance. So for the bonuses pool, okay, if you have this kind of NFTs here, okay, you're going to get a 1% share. Okay, I think I think this one, if you've completed the evildoers, so you can see it into this part right here. Okay, so you can see every single NFTs here. Okay, so there's a 300 mining power. There's even 1,000 mining power if you really got lucky, and there's some 10, there's some 20. Okay, so for the combine guide, okay, so for you to get a 10 good couple, you need this part right here. So this is more like a guide for you to be able to get a specific NFT, and what do you actually need on this part right here. So into this one right here, if you get all N card, okay, all of the collection of N cards, you can now get an evil doers card right here. So uh, for the ghosts, that is also for the ghosts, for the monsters, the spirits, the demons, and Yayuki. So for the burning function, they do have a burning function right here. So it says how much NB token has been burned and its current value. Okay, so there are more than 472 NB tokens have that has been burned, and for the leaderboard, you can see if you're pretty much rich kid right here. Okay, um, it will show here into the leaderboard how many boxes have you bought. Okay, so pretty much this guy is really uh, rich. So as you can see, he has a lot of tokens. Okay, bell token, bunny token, pancake swap, and other bunch of stupid shit coins. Okay, so um, you can also put your NFTs into the auction. So it will appear here if you are not if you've unstaked your NFTs into the into the mining pool right here. Okay, so you can see it here. So again, you can exchange this into the swap king. So just click that one. Okay, and for their roadmap, okay, they are going to launch their NFA support, their hotbit, and bunch of other stuff. Okay, they do have a new game release. They do have a DreamWorks plan. Okay, they're also open. They're going to open their weapon system, their new PK system. There's a lot of things that going on, and actually, this one, okay, this one is pretty much a detailed roadmap, okay, and I'm pretty much liking it. Maybe if I was able to check, okay, and I was able to really get my ROI in 40 days, in based on my computation right here, and if I am able to find and be able to master this NFT box, I'll probably buy more. So that is it for this video, guys. Okay, so what you just need to do is you need to have a BNB token ready, and you are just ready to go to buy one box costs around $8, $9. For the fees, probably you're going to pay around $2. So probably just by opening and staking your packs right here, you need at least $10 per box. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. Please do subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict right here, and see you on my next video.